umaga. My name is Cheryl Citat de la Larte with Trusted Consultant here in Lancaster, New City, Cavite. Under Profriends Inc. Incorporated, introducing the newest Minami. Minami is located in Purok 2, Barangay Santiago, General Trias, Cavite. It's along Arnaldo Highway and beside Santiago Elementary School. Tara, kapag naghahanap ka ng perfect for your growing family, wala ka nang hahanapin pa dito sa Minami. This is the HANA Model Unit as Delivered Unit. Ito mismo ang actual turnover ng bahay na ibibigay sa'yo upon acceptance. Meron siyang floor area na 54 at lot area na 80 square meter. Ito ay pre-selling quadruplex na townhouse. Perfect for growing family. Tara na, pakita ko sa inyo ang muna. Itong HANA Model Unit, this is the actual delivered. Yan. So, meron siya syempre na lot na 80 at 54 na floor. Actually, meron siya sa labas. Okay. Perfect para sa mga extension ng mga kitchens natin. So, ito naman yung kanyang lababo. So, meron tayo isang CR sa loob. Ito yung pinaka sala, dining area, and sala. And pag-akit naman natin, you can see, for this second, so, meron siyang tatlong bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. And ito naman yung isang bedroom. This is the second bedroom unit. Yan. This is perfect for growing family or big family. Ito naman yung kanyang pangatlong bedroom. And syempre, meron siyang CR sa second floor. This is HANA Model Unit here in Minami Residence. Perfect for growing big family. Meron siyang 50 floor area, 8 square meters na lote. Hanamis Flower, this is a Malaysian modern inspired residence na matatagpuan dito sa Arnaldo Highway, Purok 2, Barangay Santiago. Perfect for growing family, napaka-accessible, which is only located along Arnaldo Highway, malapit po sa Cavite, Laguna Expressway, may open ka na exit, given the Cavite. It's only 40 minutes away from the Cavite. So, napaka-accessible niya. So, napakaganda niya at very accessible. Isa sa mga perfect choice is that malapit sa ginagawang SM General Trias, Cavite. Maraming establishment, malapit sa Paskam, ang mura ng mga bilihin, malapit sa mga clinic, private and public, hospitals, even clinic at mga palengke. For investment, better to appreciate and get the Minami